The 2007 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, compass, CD player, fog lights, remote keyless entry, leather seats, overhead console, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.